It is June 13th, and I thought I'd give you an update on my persimmon that I grew from seeds. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you how it's doing. Here it is. It is now over 5 feet tall. There's the tip of it up here, and it looks like it's doing really well. I was worried that it was getting too tall, that it was going to be spindly, but it looks like it's strengthened up. So I was thinking about pruning it, but I'm not going to prune it. I'm just gonna go ahead and let it keep growing. Look at that, it's got some nice new growth on it already this year. And it would be nice if it got some blooms, but I'm not sure that it's gonna produce this year. But I bet it'll be producing by next year, because it's a nice looking tree. Let me know if you have any persimmons that you're growing from seed or otherwise. And I will put a end screen up here for my persimmons playlist if you wanna look at all my persimmons videos. Have a blessed day. I'll see you again real soon.